Welcome to Daily Sourdough. Today I have a really quick and easy yet delicious recipe for you. Today we are making sourdough lava cakes. So if you're a chocolate lover, you are going to love this, and it's great to serve to company. And another great thing about it is you're using sourdough discard only, so it's just going to take a few minutes and these lava cakes will be ready to eat. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees. Then either in a glass bowl in the microwave or in a saucepan, melt 1 cube of butter and 2 ounces of bittersweet chocolate and 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. So melt all of those together. When your butter and chocolate are completely melted and stirred together, next add 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar. And using a whisk, just whisk that together. Next, whisk up 2 full eggs and 3 egg yolks. Then add that to your chocolate mixture and whisk until that's completely mixed in. To that, add a teaspoon of vanilla. And now add a 1/2 cup of sourdough starter, and this can be either fed or unfed starter. Depending on how old your starter is, how long it's been sitting in the refrigerator or on the counter will determine how sour it tastes and how much of a tang your lava cakes will have. So if your starter is fresh but it's just unfed, you can use that in your lava cakes and it will have a nice sweet flavor. This starter has been sitting on my counter overnight, but I did use it yesterday, so it's pretty fresh and it will have a sweet taste to it. So just dump in 1/2 cup of starter and then thoroughly mix that in. Now your batter is ready to cook. Take 4 to 5 baking cups. These are little ramekins, so depending on the size of your ramekins, it will make either 4 or 5, and butter them heavily or spray them with baking spray. Then divide your batter evenly between your ramekins. Then clean up your ramekins a little bit because you want these to be very pretty. I'm going to clean up my tray so I don't burn it on my baking dish. Then put these in the oven for roughly 13 minutes. You want the sides of the lava cakes to be firm, but you want the centers to be jiggly still. You want them still to be soft because that's where the lava is, and you want that lava to ooze out. To decorate your lava cakes, gently loosen them from the ramekin, and this is when they're still pretty warm. Then invert them on a plate. And dust them with powdered sugar. Then take some soft chocolate and grate that into chocolate shavings or chocolate curls. Then pile your chocolate shavings in the center of the lava cake. And then if you want to add a touch of green or red, you can use mint leaves or something festive to add a little extra color. And there you have it. In under 30 minutes, you can have a delicious sourdough dessert to serve to company. And friends, if you love this video and my other videos, be sure and stay tuned because I have more delicious, fun recipes coming up on Daily Sourdough.